Hey guys, so welcome to Help Screen, and today I'm going to show you how to get my WhatsApp link. So guys, sadly as of today, WhatsApp doesn't have a feature where you can get your personal link, so you have to create one. So in order for you to do that, first thing, just simply go to any messaging platform. So I'll be using Instagram for example, and from here just simply type in wa.me slash and then your country code. So for sample, let's say my country code is +1. And after that, you could just simply continue with your number. And now from here, you could just simply send it to your friend. And after that, it will be automatically a WhatsApp link. And from here, when people tap on the link that you provided, they should be able to be redirected to your WhatsApp link or your WhatsApp account. And after that, you should be able to get the link. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.